Do you ever want to work from the comfort of your home and still make money online, doing what you know how to do best? If yes, then this is the right opportunity for you, because in this video, I'm going to review this website that is going to be paying more than $35 per hour. It sounds good to be true, but don't worry. If you stick to the end of this video, you're going to be at the point where you can be making $35 per hour or something more than that. Alright, all I need for you is to pay good attention to the end of this video so you don't miss out on any step. Okay, now let me explain to you how it works in basic steps. Alright, you search for the job of your preference, the job that you like to do, then you apply for the job. Okay, and when you apply for the job, you're gonna get hired by the job, by the employers. Alright, and once you do that, you're gonna start working online. Okay, and once you're through with the job, you're gonna submit the job. Okay, and once you done that, you're gonna collect your earnings. You're gonna get paid for all the jobs that you carry out. Alright, even something more than $35 per hour from this website. Alright, and the most interesting thing about this website is that it's absolutely free. It doesn't require any investment to get it started. You don't need any money to get it started. You don't need to pay any money to get it started. So everything you'll be doing on this website is free. Everything is absolutely free. Okay, all you need to get it started from this website is a good access to the internet, a good working laptop, and a smartphone. If you have that already, then you're on the right track. You just passed step 1. Okay, and this website is accessible all over the world. Okay, irrespective of your location, no matter where you are, be in America, Asia, Africa, Europe, Oceania, no matter where you live in the world, you can still get it started from this website and get things done. Alright, so location is not a barrier for you to start making money online with this website. Okay, and if I reveal this website to you, don't just click off and be thinking I've seen this website before, it's not working, or maybe you might have learned something different from all of that video that you've seen. Hey, everything here is 100% authentic, researched by me. Alright, so even if you find this website before, just stick around, you're gonna learn something different. Okay, now the name of this website is called Talent Design. Alright, the first thing that we need to do is to browse through the job so we can choose our job of preference. Alright, to do that, just hit on this button right here that says current opening. Okay, then you're gonna be on this page. Choose a job you love and just go down and choose the category that your jobs fall in. If it's an online job, you're gonna click here. Alright, it's medical transcription job, you click here. If it's online tutorial, you click here. Alright, and the job goes on. But for the sake of this video, a particular job that we're going to use in this video falls in the category of online typing. Okay, when you click on it, you're going to be on this page, and here we're going to be using online proofreading jobs. Alright, don't worry, even if you're not a proofreader, I'm going to show you a particular software that's going to get all your work done, so you don't need to invest all your effort in it for you to know how it works or for you to start making money with it. So we're going to choose online proofreading right here, and when we choose the job, you're going to hit on read more to know what the job is all about. Okay, you always click on the job to see it. You can see at the head is online proofreading job. Now you want to take overview for you to know how it works and how much they are going to be paying you for everything that you're going to be doing. Alright, on the very top right here is what the job is all about. Okay, and when you go down a little, you will see how much you can potentially earn yearly from this website. Okay, it's a minimum of $9,000 to $33,000 US. Alright, and here it says you can expect to get a minimum work of $700 per month. The first page right here is actually what the work is all about, and if you're just starting out, your level is going to be a beginner. Okay, actually the levels range from beginner to expert. Okay, if you're just a beginner, you'll be earning $10 per hour. If you're a professional, you're going to be earning $25 per hour, and if you're an expert, you're going to be earning $37 per hour. This first page is actually what the work is all about, how much they're going to be paying you and all that. Okay, once you read everything, you understand how everything works, go to the end of the page and hit on this button that said apply now. Okay, before we go deeper into the video, let me quickly introduce myself. My name is Wilson. If it's your first time here, you're welcome to my channel. On this channel, I teach people how to possibly stay at home and make money online. So if you want to be part of the family, you're that type of person who's looking for a way to make money online, you can subscribe to this channel so that whenever I upload a new video like this on how to stay at home and make money online, you will definitely be the first person to be notified by YouTube. And when you're that first person to be notified, you're going to be the first person to watch the video, be the first person to try the website, and be the first person to start making money with the website. Alright, and if you find this video to be little informative and helpful, please do give me a thumbs up so that YouTube will push this video out to more people who are looking for a different way to make money online. Okay, once you're on this page, the platinum page, they basically explain how the application works in 7 steps. Alright, starting from how you will select the application form, to how you're gonna complete it per the guideline, to how you're gonna fill it and submit it to them. It's basically in 7 steps, starting from step 1 to step 7 of 8, which is the final decision. Okay, so once you understand how everything works, just click on this button that says select an application form. Okay, when you do that, it's gonna take you to this page, right? And here you're gonna choose how you're gonna fill out the application. Okay, you can either do it by offline or online application. If you want to do it offline, you're going to basically download the PDF and print it out and fill it manually. Alright, but if you choose the online application, of which I prefer, all you need to do is just to click on this button right here that says online application form. Okay, then you're going to be on the main page. Then here you're still going to click on this button that says fill in your details to apply and work with us. Alright, once you've done that, finally you're gonna have all this space where you're gonna fill out the application. Alright, the first thing you want to do is to click on this button that said I set to the privacy policy. Alright, here you're gonna fill out all your personal information like your first name, your last name, your email address, your contact number, your resident address, your postal code, and all that. Okay, and once you've done that, you're gonna go down to where it says preferred job title. Alright, but since on our application we choose proofreading, we're gonna put something like proofreading right here. Okay, and here you're gonna choose the time that you would like to work. Okay, you're gonna choose the specific time that is very convenient for you to work at your leisure time. Then you put the time here. Okay, and on this line you're gonna choose your payment method. You can either use PayPal, Payoneer, wire transfer, direct transfer, Skrill, and all that. Okay, and once you've done that, you're going to choose your current professional status. Okay, I will advise you to choose freelancer or self-employed. If you choose freelancer, that will also be good. Here you're going to click I have read and accept the above statement. Okay, and you're going to write your signature name, like the combination of your name. You can do it that way, and hit I'm not a robot, then hit on submit. That's how you're going to do it. Then your application is going to be in review for some days. Then after that, they're going to get back to you. Then you start working. Okay, in the beginning of this video I said I'm going to review a software to you, and that was the main reason why we choose the proofreading. Okay, because when you're just starting out, they're going to give you a demo project that you're going to be completing. Okay, with that demo project, what you need to do to even pass it at all is to go to the website that is called Grammarly.com. Alright, when you come to this website Grammarly.com, okay, you're going to hit on this button that said upload. Alright, then it's going to take you to this page right here. This is the website that's going to be helping you to be correcting all your grammatical errors. Okay, that is the main reason why I said we should choose proofreading, because if you paste any random text right here, this website is basically going to help you to do it. Right, and whenever you post a new text, you're going to set your goals for the text. I will make the intent to be convinced. Alright, and I will hit done. There are grammatical errors on this particular text. Okay, for you to remove it, come over here. Okay, you can see here it said I am 16 years age, but of which is supposed to be I'm 16 years of age. Just click it, you're going to have it. Okay, so that's how you're going to be using this software to bypass all other obstacles that you may be having with proofreading. Okay, this Grammarly right here is going to help you do every other thing. So Grammarly is going to be helping you to be solving out all the puzzles that you'll be having on talent design. Okay, but you must not go away with the proofreading. If you know any other job that you can go for, you can actually choose all by yourself. I use proofreading for the sake of this video. Okay, if you have any other hobby or talent that you can use to make more money, you can go for it on this website. Alright, and if you watch this video to this point, it actually means that you're looking for a way to make money online. Right, so if you click on any of this video right here, it's going to show you different ways and different strategies that you can use to make money online. Alright, if you don't want to choose this website, so you can use any of this playlist right here or video right here that is going to show you more and more ways to make money online. Okay, so see you next time when we post another video again like this on how to stay at home and make money online. Cheers, peace out.